My name is John McKay. I am the president and CEO of the Mississippi Manufacturers Association. We plan these meetings, these regional meetings around the state, to really offer an opportunity for us to bring some content and some messages to manufacturers where they are. But Trulite holds a special place for us because they are one of the 70-year members of MMA. So they are one of the first companies to actually join our association and help us build what we have now, which is a voice at the Capitol and in Washington, D.C., where we take your concerns to policymakers. Benny, at this point, wanted to present you and the team this right here, and really just want to thank you for being such a valuable member.
Thank you.
Appreciate y'all.
I'm Benny Walker, General Manager of Trulite Grenada. We make mirrors and laminated glass, and we also cut, edge, and bevel glass. Well, Grenada has a real strong industrial base. We've been here a long time, and Grenada actually was instrumental in helping get us started. They've been a strong supporter through just a lot of small ways, and they're just a great place to be. It's obvious they're just a great resource for us to pull from, to take ideas from, but also to present to them anything that maybe needs to look in the legislature. It's just a good collective group that can really help manufacturing, and that's what they're dedicated to, and they just reach out in so many ways.